Guys, luto na tayo guys. Okay guys. Kanuluto ko lang guys. Pagkatapos sabay tayong kakain. Yaw! Oh, may chicken pa. May sabaw pa. Taglamig na kasi guys. Saglit na to guys. Nanay, amor. Shout out, shout out, shout out. Yes. Tukmol Mio. Shout out, amor. LTC official. Mi amor. Mega love shout out. Thanks LTC support. Shout out. LTC team. Mega love shout out. J. Carcua. Yes, of course. LG. Shout out. Anaktis Bahay. Shout out. Jovel Space G. Shout out. Aurora Punisto. Shout out. Lucy Warren Ward. Mega love shout out. Jonas Salas. Yes, mega love shout out. At shout out po sa inyong lahat yan, oh. Juyax Calcuba. Shout out, amor. Oh, yan. Sarap, di ba? Oo. Yan. Oh, and then, yan, no? Palaman ng, burger, pan. Di. Sarap na yun. Oh, yeah. Oh, mayroon din tayo dito, guys. May adobo sobra, may, yan, no? Oh, ito, kamuti to siya, guys. Kamuti. Di ba? So, yan, saglit na ito, guys, no? Wow, sarap. So, yan na po, guys. Yes, Ina Mix. Mix Vlog, shout out Ina Hermana Amor. Jadim, shout out. Jonas Salis, shout out. O sa mga bagong mga natin dyan, ha? Shout out po sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Bye-bye, and I love you all. Yes, Inas Channel. Oh, mi amor, guapísima. Love you, amor. Shout out, Inas Channel. Sorry sa hindi ko naalaala, ha? Oh. Maalaala mo pa ba aking mahal? Ano daw? Oh, yan lang guys. Okay guys. Once again, thank you so much. Mega love shout out to everyone. I love you all. Bye-bye. Yes, shout out din pala kay Phoebe Albore. Aking cashier doon sa ating business monkey. Bye-bye and I love you all.